the nice thing about having, you know, a studio here as opposed to maybe in New York is that everything is close by, so I have great storage, you know, everywhere. So that's really sort of important to me, you know, because I have a lot of stuff. So I'm working on this project, trying to concentrate on notions of resistance. And so I've been thinking about, you know, this a lot, and that in some way it speaks profoundly to the work that I've been doing for a really long time. We carry the things that matter with us through the course of our lives. And the things that matter to us actually emerge very early. So these ideas about injustice emerged for me when I was about 11, 12 years old. And so you carry these ideas, and what you're trying to do at any given moment is to discover how to speak about the thing that is most important to us that we carry through our lives. Part of the job of the artist is to pay attention to what's being said to you, what's being told to you, and then using all of that so that you can actually get out of the way of the work and do the work that the work needs. That is the way that Lincoln, Lonnie, and me emerged. A part of the story that I wanted to tell are the things that we hold on to that continue to haunt us. And so using this early hologram technology of a Pepper's ghost sort of marries again this sort of broad social history with also a very intimate and personal history. A woman aging, struggling to get into her bunny outfit, long past due, I think is really sort of an extraordinary commentary on the moment. So I'm really happy that the Smithsonian has really taken it upon themselves to acquire this work and to bring it into the collection. It is the deepest honor to have the work there and to have it seen in the context of the nation, in the context of some of the greatest artists of our time. I'm looking forward to the next 10 years of my life. I'm looking forward to being a mature artist who is still grappling, I think, with very important questions. I know that I will be living with injustice for the rest of my life. There is no relief in the deepest way, but there is resolve. And the resolve is to push for change and to figure out the ways that it needs again to be articulated at this moment. Sometimes harshly, sometimes with joy, sometimes with laughter, sometimes with terror and tears, and sometimes with magic. But that is the thing that continues to drive me, this determination that I have a right to speak out against injustice in the way that it harms us all. And I think that my gift is the gift of compassion, is the gift of generosity. It's the gift of saying, whether you despise me or not, I still offer you the complexity of your humanity. And I am willing to work with you to be my brother's keeper so that I can push beyond the narrowness of my constraints into the fullness of my own humanity. That is the work ahead. So yeah, so these are the small things that I think about when I'm, late at night lying in my bed wondering why I can't go to sleep. Why can't I sleep?